Guys, as I told you, there are two demo classes. First demo, second demo. And I covered last class, that is yesterday, first demo. And as part of it, I given 20 minutes introduction and 40 minutes this kind of content. The second demo, 10 minutes, first demo recap, and 15 minutes this content. So today's agenda, this is the one. And don't expect in-depth practical in this demo session. So demo also one kind of systematic session. And if you really want to see the depth of classes I'm taking, go to my YouTube channel and look into that. Institute YouTube channel. Or if you ask reception to share some project videos or anything, yes, they will share you partially, you can look into. And demo session level, you know, to understand how the trainer progressing, what type of depth content he is giving when he is giving a particular content. What is the way he is progressing, and you're able to understand and get subject clearly or not. Such kind of things you need to get. But don't expect a very detailed, in-depth practical in this area. If you're already having some knowledge on Power BI, and if you want to learn, yes, there are only project classes. If you want to join, yes, speak to the reception. They will let you know about project classes. The people who are already having Power BI, directly they can join for project classes. No demo, nothing. So first 10 minutes demo recap of yesterday, I will do it. Last class I told you, my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. Call timing 11 AM to 5 PM or 8 PM to 10 PM. And more than 10 people called me yesterday. Thank you so much for that. I believe you all got clear answers and sessions from me. Now, I'm working as a lead consultant and basics to advanced. Basics to advanced, the training will be covered. 60 hours in detail training. So if you really wish to work properly in the company, compulsory you need to spend your time valuably. With basics of 3 or 4 hour classes or 20 hours classes, nothing you can do in the companies. So learn properly. So that you need not see back. If you learn one time properly, no need to see back. If you don't do that, then only you need to learn again and again. And there are many people who are taking fast track in our institute. Again, they're joining back to normal track. And my 1 hour equal to for your 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. The training is online and offline, both. Now, institute provide daily videos with 1.5 years of access, communication through WhatsApp, materials theory, material practical mock interviews, and tabular cube classes. SQL sessions are 4 hours. I will cover 4 hours. SQL sessions 4 hours. But there are 9 topics which are very important. I'll let you know what are the topics to learn. Please learn those topics properly. 2 near real-time projects I will cover with multiple case studies. The training is especially intended for the people who want to work in the real time. And in case you want to prepare interview, yes. And Microsoft examination is there, PL 300. You want to make it suitable for the examination. My course covers 70 to 80%. And remaining dumps I will give you if you are interested to write. Not compulsory, but if you're interested to write. And the course in worst situation will help you to develop your own reports. You're a senior resource, you're a manager, you want to develop your own reports. Yes, the course will help you. And FAQs. Any graduate can learn Power BI, and it's a low code component. Now, you can use Power BI for these purposes: report development as a report developer, BA application development as a BA developer, technical side, data analyst, technical and functional, business analyst, technical and functional, data scientist, along with other components. These are the areas you can try. And after this, I explained in the last class in detail what I'm going to cover in the 2 months. First, I'll give you projects awareness, environmental concepts like warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile, GitHub, projects and case studies, 2 near real-time and multiple case studies. Database in SQL 3 to 4 hours I will cover, but this is not sufficient. Learn the whole course in our institute or outside, your wish, but prioritize 9 topics. So taking SQL within Power BI, kill the Power BI subject. So I'm not taking in detail SQL. Power BI 2 months I will take with sufficient subject. Tabular cube classes 1 hour or 2 hours I will give you. Job trials, you need resume preparation, mock interviews, FAQs, all I will cover. Power BI subject. This is project or environment related. Coming to Power BI subject, cloud components, these two available, I will explain you. On premises, these components available, I will explain you. And Power Apps for 2 hours, Power Automate for 2 hours, along with Power BI. So this is a subject I'm going to cover for the next 2 months. It is a very detailed course. The people who are joining today, kindly refer to yesterday's video to get detailed understanding about this. In institute, provide daily theory, practical material, daily live class video, and complete practical oriented training. The training is resume preparation sessions conducted, and good interaction with the trainers, and WhatsApp group also created for your technical questions, concerns, and everyday video also play systematically. Take any video, anything. 7 p.m. last night batch. If the session is completed, we will mention like this. So SQL Server sessions are going on for them. So what I covered in the last class, everyday video. Once it is uploaded, then we will place systematic training. Whether you are offline or online, you will receive the video in a proper way. The drive links, everything, they can find it easy with a proper description. Got clarity? Yes. And coming to jobs, there are many people got job. I don't want to show it again. Many people. Let me open one. She recently got job, and I'll help students for their doubts as well. So I would like to share that I got a job as a Power BI developer for contract 3 months plus so and so. Recently one. And many people, I don't want to open now. I thought of informing here opportunities. We inform opportunities also. She messaged me, sir, I already joined an Accenture 1st of June. Right. Now FAQs also we'll discuss. And technical side, you want to try less than 5 years, pure technical. Less than 5 years, you want to try. These are the different opportunities. 90% opportunities in this area. And this is Power BI area. I told you last class. And this is database knowledge. Power BI plus database knowledge, 90% opportunities. And this is 2% opportunities. Support resource, admin resource. Combinations available, MSBA, Tableau, ADF, Synapse, and this is combination opportunities. So less than 5 years, these types of opportunities available. So my course is sufficient for this. So what if I am having 15 years experience and I want to try with more experience? Power BI modeler is one role, designer, specialist, Power BI architect. These are all available, but compulsory 1 or 2 projects end-to-end implementation knowledge is required. With learning, it is impossible to try, but working with one or two projects, working only you can try. More opportunities, don't worry. If you really learn well and you get some experience on one project, yes, you can draw more packages and you can reach heights in Power BI. So this is what last class I explained. Even I told you, I prepared a drive for you, Google Drive for you, 9 a.m. I believe you all received this drive link. This is your drive link. And yesterday documents I placed in this area. And the people who all shared email ID, mobile number, they might have received this. Could you guys confirm? And who are joining today, they will receive yesterday and today both the videos and documents. So the second demo video also I will place here. Power BI second demo. Self-service B example. చెప్పండి క్లాస్లో చెప్పండి చెప్పండి నేనైతే నేను 1 hourలో ఫోన్ చేస్తాను మీకు మాట్లాడండి. This is the second one. Then you can ask me, sir, can you show me the detailed content what you are going to cover? Demo is okay. This is a checklist, what I am going to cover. For every batch, we follow systematically this. All topics. This is the order. Yours is 9 o'clock batch, 9 a.m. First 2 days demos, 1 hour. Later, this comparison, 1 hour. Power BI software installation, 1 hour. Case study 1, 2 hours. And cloud concepts, 2 hours. Again, case study, 1 hour. Warehousing modeling fundamental, 5 hours. DAX basic practice, 2 hours. Visual concepts, 7 hours. Next, real-time environment concepts, 2 hours. Again, case study, 6 hours. Later, I go to Power BI subject. 2 projects, 4 hours. Resume preparation, 1 hour. So everything. If it is done, a particular topic, I will mention yes. This is high level course content. Coming to low level, for example, Power BI service, cloud service. You want to see, go to service. Service level, I'm going to cover these many topics. Around 10 hours, I'm going to spend. 10 hours. In the market, I'm the only one trainer who take detailed classes and services. Cloud services, you can inquire anywhere. Extracting data. These are all the sources we work on practice. And there is a topic called Power Query. Power Query level, these concepts are covered. So you will come to know what exactly a particular component has and what you are supposed to learn. Visuals, these are all the visuals I'm going to cover. If it is done, I will say yes, yes, yes. So this is a detailed course content you will receive. Sorry, you already having the drive level, you can look into. Okay. Now this is today's documents I will upload. Only video will be pending. So you need practice file also. I will place the practice file. Today I'm going to do a small practice, the practice file. And you have to do the practice with a document, clear document, practice document. Multiple documents I'm placing today. I request online people kindly provide your email ID, mobile number so that you receive today's demo video and document. And even yesterday's demo videos and documents.
On the mobile number we should provide?
No, not on the mobile number, Zoom chat. And this is my contact number. You can talk to me or call me on this for your doubts, career guidance, or anything. Today and tomorrow are the demo classes. Sorry, yesterday and today were the demo classes. From tomorrow, regular classes. From tomorrow, regular classes. Kindly start and join. Right, sir. What I'm going to cover, what we give, I clearly explain. What are the roles you try, also explain. The roles you try. And coming to the next part. Yesterday, 40-50 minutes, I covered this part, data to fabric understanding. Very, very important. And without knowing this, if you start your Power BI, meaningless, and it will be partially fulfilled, not complete. It will be incomplete. You must know how many types of data we have, types of IT application. BA application comes under which category, and what is the business intelligence history, Power BI, what type of BI component, and what is Power Platform, the relationship between them, what is Fabric and relationship between them, you are supposed to know. I given very clearly. Kindly go through yesterday's video, yesterday's material. You will get clarity. I'm not having time to explain this again. And today's agenda is this. I'm going to start. This is a part, Power BI related part. Next 15 minutes. So 10 a.m. I will stop the session. These are demo classes. And you will not find any depth in practice. But information, more depth you find it from me. To see the depth of classes, go to my YouTube channel and see my classes. Even online, many practicals available. And people coming to institute to learn from basic to till advanced, and also real-time flow, real-time practice, and project practice, etc. The reason people joining for the training is this. When you go through online videos and all, you will not come to know where to start, where to end. You may create a report by seeing the data. But who will give the data? What type of data we receive? What to do with the data? Do we directly work on data or any documents you receive? Such kind of information you will not find in the online level. That too, online level, maximum trainers are non-working trainers. Maximum 90% trainers are non-working. Online level. You take Microsoft videos, Microsoft scientist videos, etc. So there's a difference between working trainer videos and non-working trainer videos. So why trainer is taking like this, I know all these things you might feel, but definitely there is a difference in the learning and depth of subject. No doubt in that. Over? Right. Now I'm going to start this. Before that, ask your questions. I'm open for your questions if anyone having any questions. So regarding personals or anything you want to talk to me, call me on my number. Or whatever last 20 minutes I covered, if you want to ask a question, kindly ask before I start this. Amar, Anish, Arav, Divakar, Ganesh, Mallikarjun, Nagesh, Fani, Razu, Rai, Sharath, Srikanth. Any questions?
No.
Thank you.
Oh, as of now.
Thank you, and I will continue now. So what is BI? Business intelligence, simply. intelligence of the business data, intelligence of the business, or intelligence of the business data. And how do we present? By using a report or dashboard. So in the IT industry, business intelligence level input is data and output is a report or dashboard. So any BA tool you take, Tableau, Power BI, ClickView, any business intelligence tool you take, their input is data, maybe any type, any format, anywhere. Output is a report or dashboard. So what is the difference between them? Yesterday I explained in detail, now high level. Report usually talks about detailed understanding of data, like this, very detailed. See detailed mappings and all available, map visual and different types. And dashboard talks about high level data, mostly key performance indicator, KPI indicators, simple cute visuals available. And I also given one example, savings account, deposit one report, withdraw one report, say a loan processing one report, a dashboard level all into single area. So in Power BI level also we do the same. Power BI. First one, Power. Second one, BI. What is Power? Adding more features to the existing BI. What is the first BI from Microsoft? MS BI. For the existing MS BI, more power is added, that is Power BI. And second definition I explained last class. This is the definition 1 for Power BI. And we have definition 2. Power BI is a low code, cloud and on-premises supportive, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BA application to generate reports and dashboards. And this is given by Microsoft. You can ask me why Microsoft. Power BI, product vendor. Who is the vendor? Microsoft. And Power BI release year 2013 July. Yesterday I explained. And versions, monthly update and no versions. Every month update we have and no versions. And what is the input to Power BI? Input to Power BI. Any data, any type of data, anywhere data. And what is the output from Power BI? Reports are first BA process implementation, comma, report or dashboard creation. This is the out or report or dashboard is the output. Okay, I learned Power BI. The last question. If I learn Power BI, what do I do in companies? You work on customer business specification documents, function specification documents, technical specification documents. Then you understand data given by the customer. The data may be file format, data may be databases, data may be cloud applications, data may be cube applications, unstructured applications, it could be anything. Next, you prepare a report or you prepare a dashboard. Your responsibility, I'm telling, as a technical resource. And you test the report, unit test or white box test. As a developer, the above is as a developer, Power BI developer. You work on the documents, data, you understanding you will do, finally report or dashboard prepare and test it. Got clarity? But in real time, along with the developer, testers, support, multiple people will be there. And what are their responsibilities, I will explain later. In today's session, I will show one example. Getting some data like file data, generating a report or dashboard. This part I will show. Because that is the input for Power BI, output from Power BI is this. Anyone wants to ask any questions? I yesterday explained about business intelligence process. ETL, data warehouse. This is business intelligence process. The same diagram I given also in your material.
సార్ అదేవిధంగా డాక్స్ లేకపోతే పవర్ బిఐ జస్ట్ గ్రాఫికల్లీ అన్నారు కదా దాని మీనింగ్
క్లాస్ ఏం మాట్లాడతాం అది. Now, guys, I will go to the next part. Focus. So Power BI, not only Power BI, IT level reporting types. IT. In software industry, IT level, complete IT level, there are two types of reports. One is non-page related report. See here, one image, one address, some values, data filtering, mapping visual, line chart, different available. Data not in multiple pages. So we have multiple visuals, matrix, table, pie, line, map, and data is not divided into multiple pages. And this is called advanced reporting. And in Power BI level, there is a component called Power BI Desktop, which will do that. So this is the first type of reporting now in the market available. Advanced reporting. And old reporting available, legacy, page-related report. This is the one, basic reporting. 10 records in one page. If you click next 10 records in the next page, etc. So data is divided into multiple pages and every page contains some number of records. And the records are printable. This data we can easily print. Example, 200 records you have. I need every page 20 records and 10 pages required. This is page-related report. Old reporting tools does this. In Power BI level also possible using a component called report builder. What is a component? So if you want to become a good Power BI developer and you want to make yourself suitable for opportunities, learn non-page related reporting desktop, learn page related report builder, these two. So what if I don't learn this? You may lose the opportunity. Many companies asking for page related reporting also, so you must learn. Let me show you. Naukri.com, Power BI, page name. Just only one word. Job description. Power BI reports, the word which I mentioned. Good to have knowledge on page-related reports. They mention minority, minorly, correct? That's a mandatory. Spelling mistake. This is an opportunity purely Power BI plus SQL. So page-related report. But it is very simple. I will take classes on this and you will understand. So Power BI level reporting we do, but two types of reporting we do. Non-page related, page related. Got everyone? Then how many components we have in Power BI? So Power BI level reports and dashboards you generate pretty good, but there are total 8 components for different purposes and 4 concepts to implement BI process. This is for the BA process and 8 components for different purposes. Cloud. I don't want to keep anything in my company. I want to keep in Microsoft storage level only my reports. From there, I want to give access to customers. That is cloud. There are 2 components to work with cloud. Power BI desktop, which is for report development. So these are the concepts to use to implement the business intelligence process. Power query, power pivot, power view, power map. These are the concepts we use to implement the business intelligence process and generate a report. So report development. Today, I'm going to explain about this component only. Please look into this and ask your question if you are not clear. Why do we require this? Report development. And second component, cloud. So the report, whatever you develop, you must move to cloud, that is Microsoft storage area. Here only the report will be available and report will be managed. So customers will connect and operate. So no, sir, I don't want Microsoft storage. Then on-premise. Again, we have a component Power BI, report server desktop, specially designed for on-premises. And these are the concepts available, same concepts. Both look alike, but title is different, some features are different. And the report move to your company local server, not cloud server, your company local server, and the users will work on the server. 1, 2, cloud people, 95% people use this. 2, 3, so 3, 4 components. Next component, Power BI report builder. Just you have seen an opportunity, paginated report. I explained about paginated reports. So to develop it, there is a component called Power BI developer required. It's a tool we should download and operate. Next, Power BI embedding. You want to place Power BI reports in other areas, social media, web, blog, that is called embedding. Next, Power BI developer to generate own visuals. Gateway to establish communication. I will explain this later, but these are the 8 components available, and this advanced reporting. And this is old style reporting and basic reporting, paginated reporting. So Power BI reporting developed by using this and this. 95% people use this process. And nowadays 20% people are 20% opportunities having 20 to 40% opportunities having paginated report building. This is the depth of components and concepts. And now I will give you an example of this only. Once again, online people who just joined, kindly provide email ID, mobile number to get demo videos, demo documents both the days. Next. So this is an example I want to show. Power BI desktop. And this is my personal data, simple data for your practice. I request everyone practice this. Simple example to understand Power BI you are able to do or not. Or Power BI you are able to operate or not. Easy to understand, easy to navigate. Test today by completing this example. No coding. We have code, that is less code. But today's class, no coding. See, family expenses data available. I wrote on the lockdown time transactions. Day value, day value, day value, day value, like this I wrote in the lockdown time. And this is called transactional data. What type of data? Transaction. Daily data. My transactions available, so transactional data. Technically OLTP. My daily transactions, technically called as OLTP data. This data I want to convert to analytical fashion like this. I need year filtering. I need month filtering, flexible way. So if I select year and month, what is the total money I spent in that category? or in that period, what is the average money I spent, maximum money, minimum money. In that period, what are the locations I traveled, each location, how much percentage of money I spent, and my top spending reasons, my least spending reasons. This complete part I want to see in analysis level, or we can call this one as decision making level information. Some people say business intelligence information. This is normal data, and we call this as a business intelligence data. And from here to here, I want to convert. So Power BI level desktop is helpful. And if you want to install this, very simple. OS Windows 8 or above is good. Minimum 2 GB RAM, minimum 2 GHz processor sufficient. Sir, how come this will convert the normal column by column data like this? So we have a process called business intelligence process. That too, it will do end to end. So we call it as self-service BI. So this tool has the capability to bring this data, that is extract. In case not in proper shape, it can put in shape, transform. If multiple tables available, relationships established. If you need security added. Finally, visuals generated like this, and this is called BA data. So Power BI desktop does this operation. And today, if it's first day for you, you feel like, what is this? But after 2 days, you feel very bored because daily we use the same technology. One day traveling on a difficult particular pace, but daily if you do, after 2-3 days, you feel very bored. The same thing will happen after second session. So this data implemented through this process to move here. I will explain each and every word in detail in our regular classes because we don't have that much of time. I will take transformation classes for 8 days, modeling class for 6 days, security class for 2 days, visualization for 8 days. There you get complete clarity. Days only, not minutes. Shall I go? Right, sir. This is perfect. Now, where is my data and how to download? I will tell you. Concentrate. What is desktop? Everyone using desktops. The place where we perform operations graphically. General word. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop. Power BI desktop. Power BI operations graphically. Next. Input to desktop. This desktop will take data from anywhere, any place. Output is report. But instead of saying report, it will generate a document. What it generate? Desktop document. Sir, why not report? I'll tell you. I said report, but it contains document because self-service business intelligence process it is doing everything, extracting, transforming, modeling, visualization and all. Visual is a part of it, but it is doing everything. So the output is a document which is saved with .pbix extension. How do we save Word document? DOCX. Excel documents, XLSX. PowerPoint documents, PPTX or PPSX. Power BI document, PBX. So simply document is a place multiple things available. Report is a place only report visuals available. If I say report means only report visuals. Sir, do we have anything else? Yes, many things available. That's why people love Power BI desktop. People love this because multiple things we are able to do and prepare a document. And how do we separate report? That is later story. From the document, we separate the report and send it to customers. Customer don't require document. They need only visual part. Everyone clear?
Extension వల్ల desktop document అంటున్నావా?
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ వల్ల కాదు, దానిలో మల్టిపుల్ థింగ్స్ ఉండడం వల్ల డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉంటాం. ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ మీకంటే చాలా డాక్యుమెంట్ చేసి ఎవరు అంటారు అంటే ఏంటి?
ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
డాక్యుమెంట్ అంటే ఫైల్ కాదు, దానికి అవసరం అన్ని ప్లేస్ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటాయి, ఇమేజ్లో టెక్స్ట్ ఉంటాయి, టెక్స్ట్ ఏముంటాయి అవన్నీ పెట్టేయడం డాక్యుమెంటేషన్. Then how do we download and how do we install? Guys, Power BI desktop, if you want to download and install, operating system 10 are good with better experience level. And some desktops supporting Windows 8 or earlier, but don't go for it. Prefer Windows 10. Minimum 2 GB RAM, minimum 1.5 GHz processor. These three minimal requirements as of today sufficient. In this demo part sufficient. And a couple of other things available, I will tell you in the regular class. Next. Guys, please take your mic and ask questions, because in my flow, if I read the chat messages, it will be disturbing for me. Or else you can call me on my WhatsApp number, sorry, on my number, the given timings to address all. The flow will be disturbed if you started reading chat and typing and replying to it. Please take your mic and ask your questions, whatever you have. I love to hear your questions. And if you want to download the desktop, very simple, guys. Google it and download. So normal desktop is downloaded with Microsoft Power BI account. Advanced download option available. It does not require any account. So while Googling this part, and Power BI Cloud also you can download it. This is the Power BI Cloud you can download second way. But in the companies, the second way preferred. And in the regular class, maybe Monday or Tuesday, we will download by using cloud and install it. So real-time fashion only we follow in the regular class. And this is a normal practice way. I will show this. Shall I? Right. Google it. Power BI desktop download. Download Microsoft Power BI desktop. Microsoft Power BI desktop. English language. Read everything. What exactly desktop does. Everything they mentioned, read it. Requirement also see. In this area, what are the server machines? What are the client machines supported? Both mentioned. Installation instructions. How to install. Now I'll click download. This is for 32-bit machine. If your system is 32-bit, prefer this. If your machine is 64-bit, prefer this. This is for 32-bit machine, and this is for 64-bit machine. Right. So how do we verify, sir? My machine is 32-bit at 64. Go to search, sysinfo, system information, and here you will find it. What is the system type? 64-bit PC. System information. Even this PC properties will give you what type of system type you have. Use it. Your Windows system type is 64. So I need to download and install. I downloaded. Assume I downloaded. Then how it looks like? It will look like this. This is how it looks like. Then click next, next, finish. In between it will ask you accept. Certain things. That's it. And one more drive also. Where do you want to install? Drive. C drive, D drive. These two it will ask. So Power BI software downloading, installing is very simple. That is desktop software. Cloud only require account. If you want to move, I will give you cloud account. What additional you get here is, I'll give you cloud accounts for your practice. till 2 years. Compulsory needed. Next one. Assume I downloaded, install. Once installed, it appears like this. And I want to open. Okay, software install ready. Where is the input file? Before using the software, you go to folder area. This is my Excel file. So this is my daily expenses data. Day wise, amount, reason, area, location, and some information about. All of you okay? Good. I want to use this information to generate a decision-making report like this. My next job is this. This is available. I want to generate a report like this by using this. Everyone able to understand what I'm going to do? So this is my objective. How do we do? Very simple. Open the desktop first. Power BI desktop. Second one. This is the main window. Home. Blank report you want to open, or you want to start from Excel, you want to start from database or any other source, you can navigate and start. Directly from the respective source, it will start. Or you want to open existing report, open. For the time being, these two are important. So I'm going to explain these two. I will go for blank report. Blank report. And this is save, quick saving, undo, redo, title. And this is email address, minimizing, maximizing, closing. Title of the document. And this is called as menu tabs. And this is home. And right now something is available. This is home ribbon. And these are called views. And this is a report view. Report visuals, report data, report concepts we will take in this area. This is table view. We will see report data. If it is import mode of file. What is import mode? I will tell you later. But if it is import mode, we will see the data. And this is model view. Relationship between tables. And this is DAX query view. So 4 views. In case you want to design the report in web format, a desktop format, this is helpful. You want to design your report in mobile suitable format, this is helpful. And this is page 1, click plus, page 2, again plus, page 3, page 4, etc. And this is called filter pane. Data filter options. And this is called visualization pane. Visuals available. Microsoft Visual and custom visuals available. Third party. This is data pane. When you click on it, you find data pane. Some people say data set area where you have tables, columns, functions, parameters, etc. available. And this is recently given view and we call it as pane manager. Multiple panes available. And this is an area where we develop the report and we call it as canvas. Report canvas. We take visual, we take data, we take filter, we take concepts, everything. Sorry, it is confusing for me. No confuse. One report you practice, you remember it. One report you practice, you remember it, don't worry. I usually explain this part for 1 hour in the regular class. At least 45 minutes, all the options. That is on the first day in the next session. But I cannot take that much of time now. Right, sir. Now, next one, annotate, I am taking. Text. So this is a self-service BI tool. Even color-blind friendly tool. Color-blind people can use this tool. And this tool will get the data. This tool support data transformation. If it is not in proper shape, this tool will establish relationships, security, visuals. See, now easily you are able to see BI data. This is what this tool does. This is what the tool does. Extraction is the first area, transformation second, third, fourth, fifth. These 5 operations we do in this tool, there are no other operations. As part of extraction, we go to this. Transformation, we go to this. These are this. Relationships, we go to this. Security, here modeling is available. We go to modeling. Security, we go to modeling area on top available. This is the visualization area, 5th area. These are the 5 areas very nearby available. I request once again, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number. Last request. Today and yesterday demo videos and documents you receive. So these are the 5 operations this software will does. This tool will does all the 5 available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And compulsory are 1, 5. Data visualization compulsory. 2, 3, 4 optional. In case data not in proper shape, 2. Relationship required, 3. Security required, 4. But 1 and 5 are mandatory. Now I will go to home. First step, click on it. Where is the data? Excel workbook. Go to D drive, lab backup, general files for practice. And this is the one. Click open. I'm browsing to the file. The same file already given, you can open it. It will show like this. Select it. Family expenses data looking like this. This is called preview. Now click load. So what I did, get data or extract data, browse the file, selected. See, automatically this pane is open, data pane. It is automatically open. And if you want to see the data, go to data area. This is the data area I told you. Click on it and see. And if you closely notice, data is not in proper shape. Shape indicate column by column. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Data not in proper shape. Something we need to do here. So take this as column heading. Data is not in proper shape. So I clicked on it. Don't worry about navigations. One time if you practice, you remember. Once again, I'm telling you, IT, non-IT people and who are new to this, don't feel panic why trainer is going fast navigations and all. One time practice only needed. You remember forever. And that too, I will give you a live practice in the regular classes level, 3-4 live practice. So you get complete clarity. With the live practice, you get complete clarity. So data is not in proper shape because this is supposed to be column heading and we need to remove it. Yes, then only column by column available. And also, if you want to analyze area separate, location separate, we should split. So third step, this is required. So 3 changes required on this. 1, remove, delete. 2, consider as heading. 3, split the data, split. If you do the 3 changes, then it will be proper shape. So to do this, go to second area. This is the area. How do we go? Better practice. If you don't want to confuse, go to report view. This is report view. Second area. What is this? Transform data. Click on it. See a separate window opened. This is the only one window. When I click on transform data, it will open. Only one window. Microsoft additionally opens. What it does, it can extract and transform. How many operations available? 1000 plus transforms available. Do whatever you want to do. Finally, close and apply. Here 3 options available. Close, simply close. Apply, changes, save it. Close and apply, changes, save and close. Do whatever you want to do. Finally, close it. To return to the main window. To return to the main window, you must close this. I'll go. So this is our, guys, whatever the changes you want to do, that is available in this area. Click on this. I need to remove the first one first. This one. So click on this. Remove top row. 1. Okay. I mentioned 1. So this top one, remove. Now I want to make this as heading. Click on it. Use first choice header. So in this area, this is the first option I implemented. In this area, second option I want to implement. So use first row as headers. Success. Once again, you want to do, you can cancel the right hand side. The operations what you did. Click on it. Remove top row. Mention 1. Okay. Click on it. Use first row as header. Done. And if you see this third one, you need to split. So highlight this column. Right click. Split column. By delimiter. With separator, I want to split. 2 hyphens is a separator. If you see this 2 hyphens, hyphen, hyphen. So delimiter. Mention here 2 hyphens. This is the area. Click OK. Don't do any changes. See, it is showing me area location. 2 parts, 1 and 2. Double click on this. Similar to Excel. Mention area. Double click on this. Location. How simple it is, guys. You want to split, right click split. You want to work on table, do the properties, removing, keeping, whatever you want to do. And your operation is completed. And I told you, go to close and apply, close. In this area, I want to save the changes and close. Click on it. The main window being closed. See, it is ready. You want to see that? Go to table view, see that. Is it good now? Proper shape. So first step, second step needed, I implemented. Now third step, modeling. Click on it. Only one table. You cannot relate to other. Two or more available makes sense to join. Only one available, no joining. Three not applicable. And four, security not in our case study or the current explanation. But five, visualization needed, this visualization. So this is what the visualization I will do in the next 10 minutes. I will maintain little speed, kindly cooperate. But regular class level, in detail we go. And each and every visual I take time for half an hour, 40 minutes in the regular class. But we cannot spend that much of time here. Which visual, which purpose, I will tell you in the regular class. And see, these are all called card visuals in Power BI. Card visuals. And they show single value. So if you want single value, that's the only one visual, there is no other visual. And these are called slices. And if you want manual filter, manual visual filter, so customers can see and filter. And this is called mapping visual, map visual. Visually display data. And it will show locations, it will show business values. And this is pie chart. Pie chart. And usually percentages, that is called composition. Percentages you want to show and values you want to show, then go to this. Simply composition comparing. And this is only for comparing. Comparing categories you want to do, go to this. This is bar chart. So today you learn about card visual for single value, slicer for manual visual filter, map visual for business values, display with locations, composition comparing, and also comparing. Shall I go? The material is very clear for you for your practice. Do it. I will go here. I don't want anything. All I will clear off in the draft. First, this go to this build area. This is a build area. Build. Visuals appear. I need card visual. This is a card visual. Every visual operated in 3 steps. First, click on it, visual. Second, click on add data. Add data, or else you can click here also add data. But I prefer this, add data. What I want to show, amount, select amount. Right. Third, you want to format, go to format. This is a format area, or click on this format. You can work on. Second, card visual, card. I don't want this, card. Second, card visual, add data, amount. But I need average, not sum. It is taking sum, average. Click arrow mark. In this area, summarization, average. Next, third card visual. Add data, amount. And I don't want sum. I want maximum. Fourth card visual. Add data, sum. I want minimum. So max, no problem, max or min, whatever you want to take. I want to apply colors, fonts and all. Just click on second section. And my request, old version to new version, slightly different will be there, difference will be there in the navigation, but I will tell you in the next session. old and new. We don't have time to explain that now. And I will click on format. This is a format. Highlight this. You want to format. Call out value. This is call out value. This is category label. Call out value, category label. Next, call out value. Select build. I want to take blue color, 30 size. This is normal, guys. Call out value, whatever you want to take it. Display unit, auto, nanna, 1000 format, million format, billion format. Million means million, billion means billion, nothing means none. So call out value, this none. I want 2 decimal places, 2, if you mention 2 decimals like this. This is call out. Category label, this is a label, simple one. Bold, I'll click on this, I'll click on 15. Size and style, visual border on. So this is size and style, visual border, common. I will minimize it. Guys, the same format I needed for these 3 also. So go to format painter, see, highlight this, format painter, click on it. Format painter, click on it. Format painter, click on it. Four card visuals ready. I copy paste. Now manual visual filter required. Click slicer. First visual done, second visual, slicer. First visual, second field. What do you want to show? I want to show year. Simple. But I don't want this kind of filtering. Customer don't feel comfortable. Then format. So first visual, second field, third format. Format level, usual format, visual border I'm giving normally. This is not important. This is important. What type of setting you require? In case header you want to format, what is the format? Value you want to format, how do you want to format? This is slider, you want to format slider. Now I will go to slicer setting. Between is there. Tile means buttons. I want drop down, sorry, vertical list. It's a vertical list slide, one year. Now we'll take font size and all, header, year, 20 size, and I will take here, yes. And value, bold, and I will take 18 size, normal fonts only. I will minimize this. The same type I require for month. Control C, Control V. Copy paste, how to do I explain. Earlier visual format copy, now copy paste. And here month I want to take, remove the column here. Copy paste, remove the column, add date, month. Ready? But it is showing me all months. I want only 2 months. How can I take 2 months? Go to filter. If you want to take only 2 months here, go to filter, month, drop down. Here you select July and August. 2 months selected, 2 months. So if anything you want to filter here, go to filter area and whatever you want, you can select. Now, what next? If you select July values, 20 July values, 19 August, and you want to select both, press Ctrl and select. Press Ctrl and select. Both are selected. Yes, everyone. Now, the next one. I want reasons comparison. See guys, this is a data view. In this area, reason available. This reason comparison I want. I told you, take a bar chart, stacked bar. I clicked on it. Second, go to section, data area, assign the data. This is y-axis and this is x-axis, and whatever you want to take it, take it. And I want to take a reason here, I want to take amount here. And this is the way I want to show. So you can click y-axis level reason, x-axis level amount. It is showing like this. And I want to take a common property, format property, go to format, visual border on. You can explore bigger and see. This is focus mode. Food value. It is showing tooltip. Reason is for sum of amount. That is tooltip. So food, travel, internet, everything showing. These three bottom spending, these three top spendings. Bottom spending, top spending. Next, I want a pie chart. I told you, but locations wise spending. So pie chart, legend level location, value level, I will take amount. Location amount. Now, if you please keep cursor here, it will tell you Visakhapatnam 40% money I spent. Vijayawada 15% money, and blank some money, Siddipet some money, like this. Here, just compare here composition percentage of values you're able to see. And this is showing more area, less area, like this. I generally want a border, visual border, size and style, routine option. The last visual, map visual. It's a map. What are the locations I traveled? Really want to see the locations. So click on this map visual. And location, you click location. It is showing. You can explore bigger and see. Focus mode. These are the locations I traveled. But amount spending you want to see, come down, bubble size, and the bubble size level you take amount. Now see, Hyderabad value, more spending, bigger bubble, less spending, small bubble. And second, medium spending, medium bubble. So this is a worldwide map. But what are the locations I traveled, how much money I spent, you can see very quickly. Even business also. These are the areas good business, these are the areas poor business. This is a mapping visual. I will take the formatting area level, size and style, visual border out. Now if you select 19 travel location, 19 spendings, 19 top region, bottom region, 19 business value, 19 August spending locations, travel and everything. And this is called reporting area. What do you call it? Reporting. But total is called as a document. File menu, save, file menu, save. I will save under, yeah, no problem. ATM August, VinayTech, first demo report. And what is the extension? PBIX. PBIX is the extension. But you can ask me, sir, can we share this with other people? This one we never share in the real time. This we don't share. We move the complete one to cloud, or we move to server, the complete report, and then we share to customers. These are this. So customer does not require your extraction part, transformation part, your modeling area, security area, all. He requires only this for interactions, for his browsing. And if you want to share only this area, we need to move to cloud, the complete document, and then share only the report to the customers. Or we need to move to on-premises server. From there, only report we need to share to customers. Got clarity? So how do we create and what is the next process we need to do? The next process only 90% people not having knowledge. But this is 100% important nowadays. I will take class 10 hours on this. Right, sir. So I'm successfully done with what I planned for today. This is the example I planned, I successfully completed. I'm sorry, I took 10 more minutes of your time. I said 10:10 I will stop. I could not stop at 10:10. I continued. But regular class daily at 9 o'clock. Daily session at 9 a.m. from tomorrow. Demos completed. And if you want to see more information or more practicals of my classes, you can see a couple of examples in the YouTube level. VinayTech YouTube channel is there, you can see. But training is detailed training with good amount of case studies and projects. I'm sorry, I could not cover the in-depth example in the demo class because everyone has to understand and practice it. So I'm maintaining a normal level example. From this, you know, to understand what type of content I'm giving, how I'm explaining, etc. And I have multiple batches, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. The current batch is 9 o'clock from tomorrow. And daily 1 hour my class. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours training. So 2 hours time for practice. And if I take 2 hours, you need almost 8 hours for practice. It's not a small task to complete. That's the reason I'm not taking fast track. As I'm giving more subject and good amount of subject, not possible for me to go. Learn slowly in detail. You are suitable for any interview. You can happily work in the companies. Daily live class video I will share. 1.5 year access with cloud credentials for practice. WhatsApp communication is there, and you can call me on my number. You can talk to me, but materials and all very clear for you. And SQL I will cover for 4 hours, but this is not sufficient. Learn a whole course and prioritize 9 topics. Tabular Cube classes 1 hour, 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies. An interview who are preparing and who wants to work in the real time. Anybody preparing for certification, yes, 70 to 80% covered, and dumps I will give you for more. And you want to generate your own reports, possible. Any graduate can learn Power BI, and Power BI is a low-code component. Technically, these roles available in the market. Techno-functional, these are available, and you can try Power BI. So you can try with Power BI in data science level as well. I hope I covered whatever you needed. And from tomorrow, regular classes. I'm starting now. Now you can take your mic and ask your questions. I will address. If you're not able to ask now, yes, I already given my contact number. Call me in the given timings to address you properly. Don't worry, I'm one of the best trainer in the market. Definitely, I will give you a satisfied subject for 2 months. Your patience, your following is needed. But my classes will go systematically, properly with good amount of subject.